Hi everyone, I just want to share with you a thought. I've been reading Joshua 10, 11 and 12, and Joshua is busy taking in the promised land as God had promised them, and he's conquered some nations, and he brings the kings to the people, and he says to the leaders of the armies and to the people, "Go and put your feet on the neck of these kings." And then he says, "Be strong and courageous, and just as you are doing now, and as you have defeated these nations, these kings, so I will do to all the enemies that you will go up against." And that was just such a powerful, symbolic and prophetic act that God led him to do. And today I want to encourage us in the same way then that Joshua went on in Joshua 11 and 12. They conquered the nations, and many of those nations, all of them actually, were conquered. And I believe it's because they had that image in their minds of having their feet on the necks of those kings that they already conquered. And in the same way, Jesus has overcome and is giving us the victory over Satan. And this morning, I want to just encourage you that whatever the spiritual battle is that you might be coming up against, God wants to encourage you that He has crushed the head of Satan and He's giving you the victory. And so as you keep that image in your mind, go forth and in the victory that God has given you, and walk in the fullness of everything He has for you for today. Be blessed.